What's going on, guys? It's Jay and welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day in South Georgia. Literally the past 2 weeks, I'm not even kidding you. So while it's been snowing and going crazy over in Texas, it's been raining non-stop here. So I was gonna do a cool video with the exhaust, but being that it's raining, we can't get any cool footage. We can't really do anything outside the car. So we got something just as cool. Probably even cooler, honestly. I've picked up a Cobb Acessport. If you remember from the Sonata, when I had the Lap 3 Pro Tuner, this is kind of like the Lap 3 Pro Tuner, but like times 10. Like, this is on a whole different level. But this, I'm able to see engine parameters. Tuners are able to access this remotely or directly. I don't know much about the Cobb Acessport because I haven't got it installed yet. Reason being is this one come off of a 2000. It's one of those newer style GTIs. I found out that it's compatible with pretty much any car. So all you have to do is call Cobb, get them to send you a revision that makes this compatible with your car. So right now, the Acessport is not compatible with the Subie. Once in a few days, I'm gonna get it compatible. It's like 125 bucks. You have to send off, and they'll send you like an email, and all you do is download it on here, and it's pretty simple. So I got this one for a steal. I got it for like 300 bucks, but like I said, you have to have that $125 install fee. So that puts it up around $4 something in the 400s. So that's pretty much better than new. So I'm pretty happy with that. Shout out to my boy Kameron Williams. This is where I got it from. I'll leave his IG and stuff down below if y'all want to go check out his GTI. And it comes with the cords and everything. It comes with another faceplate. The Pro Tuner opened the car up. It changed the Sonata into a whole different animal. But this thing, the Subaru, I'm telling you guys, like, I love the Sonata and I miss the Sonata a lot. But this thing's a different, like, out of the box, this thing is like a different beast. I haven't even tuned it, I haven't done anything to it. I'm just excited to see what the difference will be when I tune it. This car is already on go, and I put this on it. I'm like, bro, what is about to happen? Crazy. So I'm very excited to get this put on. I'm not gonna say exactly what yet, but I gotta get a few more parts before we can do the e-tune. Just wanted to talk about the Cobb Acessport. Like I said, I haven't even been able to do anything with it until I get that firmware, that software update. Between this car and the Sonata is so different, because the Sonata, there wasn't a lot of parts. Like, a lot of things you did had to be DIY'd, had to be custom made, or had to be ordered like through like some kind of supplier. Like, it was kind of like knit and grit. But this car, like, everybody has parts. I mean, like, random people in the groups are like, hey, I got parts, hit me up. Disc. I'm like, damn. I try to come up off of the used parts. So it depends though. Certain things I don't buy used. The weather's shitty. I'm really about to go back in the house and chill because this is just real gloomy as usual. So if y'all guys haven't already, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, stay up to date with the build. You don't want to miss anything. Follow my Instagram and my Snapchat, guys. I'm telling you, like, I'm more daily active on my Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat especially, so